That was interesting. Just heard a bunch of noise over there. I'm like, what in the world? I thought it was a squirrel chirping at me. No. It was a battle to the death between a cicada and a hornet. I wasn't planning on doing any kind of video intro. I was just gonna go straight to the rippage, but little cicada and the hornet deathmatch kind of changed that. So what's up, guys? How y'all doing? Hope everybody's doing okay out there. This is just another Friday evening, walking to the field. Gonna do some FPV freestyle, and that's pretty much it. Gonna tilt the camera back a little and open it up some. Came out here yesterday, but I totally forgot to swap SD cards, so of course I still ripped, just couldn't record none of it. All right, here we go. We got company. Four-wheeler, maybe. No idea who that kid is. That's somebody different, I think. I don't remember. I have no problem with people out here. I mean, I don't see no reason why they shouldn't be able to come out and rip around these trails, but another landlord said, well, nobody's supposed to be back here, but that's on him. I don't know. All right, let's get a rip on. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed that nice fast-paced ribbage and of course the blood fest in the beginning. That was pretty interesting. Yeah, hit that like button, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Cap is out. Peace.